Good evening, respected participant. Hope all participants are well. Please let me know, are you hearing me? And voice is clear? Okay. I'm just waiting for maximum participant. Just only 5 participants have joined this meeting. Okay. Today our topic is again how to create basic plots in R. For this, we need two things. One is data, and other is instrument. So in the case of R, instrument is known as package. So we have data name ficus and instrument or package name ggplot2. In our previous class, we already installed package ggplot2. Now, in our RStudio lab, if you search on packages, click on screen number 4. This is your screen number 4. Click on packages and search within search bar ggplot2. You can see here ggplot2 already found, but tick mark is disappeared. It means our package is deactivated or turned off. Before working on this package, we need to turn on this package. Similarly, when we perform any task, carry any analysis on any instrument, we need to turn on this instrument first. For example, when you want to work on laptop, you need to turn on laptop. When you want to do work with your mobile phone, you need to turn on your mobile phone. Similarly, in R, when you want to do any task, you need to turn on its required package. So first step is we need ficus file, import, come on global environment, screen number 3, import dataset. So all participants import your ficus file in global environment, copy, browse, and from ficus, double click. After preview, you just press the button import. Your file have been imported now. All participants, please do this step and type done. Okay. Maximum participants have done this step. No. Now we move to next step for writing a script. As in our previous class, we already have learned about ggplot2, that is ggplot2 have two main function for plot. One is qplot and second is ggplot2, ggplot. And we already known about this. Qplot is only used when you want to just see your data set or you want to find highest or lowest value. But if you want to publish your graph, you need to draw graph through ggplot2. First step, we are working on qplot, so we need to first learn qplot and then we learn ggplot. So for qplot, first we need to turn on our machine, that is ggplot2. So to turn on machine or package or instrument, we can use a word library, and within library type ggplot2 and type run. No, you have done library or have activate or turn on your package name ggplot2. Now we need to write a script. Okay, write script. Similarly, when you want to use MS Word on your laptop, you need to first turn on your laptop and then open MS Word. Similarly, when you want to use WhatsApp in your mobile, you need to turn on WhatsApp, turn on your mobile and then open WhatsApp. Similarly, when we use qplot or ggplot2, we first need to turn on ggplot2. We have done or we have turned on ggplot2 and now we need to open qplot. Similarly, as when we use WhatsApp, we need to open WhatsApp. When you type qplot, you find a suggestion. Select this suggestion. No, a parenthesis will be open. Within parenthesis type, first type, give its data. As in our previous class, we have learned about three different components of plot, that is data, mapping, and geometry. So data equal, we file name is ficus. Here we need to type x-axis. The first component is x-axis. To define x-axis, click on ficus, $sign. After $sign, a list will be appear. Click on petal length, again comma, again ficus, $sign. Select any other sepal length, again comma, and now we need to define this is the x-axis and this is y-axis. And you need to we have done our task. We use this. It's mean this scripts mean ficus mean this is file name ficus. $sign mean or $sign indicate that petal length or sorry, $sign is used when you want to see the list of variables found in your files. Like in our case, we have 5 variables. So when you type here $sign, a list of variable will be opened. So we have done our work, we import or we have type x-axis, so we don't need this ficus and dollar sign. So delete this. Similarly, in y-axis, delete dollar and ficus. Okay. Now we need to provide its geometry. We have provided two things, that is data. Second is its axis, x-axis and y-axis. And next is provide it geom. And within geom, parenthesis, inverted comma, type point and run it. No. Now you can see a plot have been created. So all participants perform this step. If you get this plot, type done. If you found any error, please let me know. Two participants have done. Please run this script and type done. If you face any issue, please let me know. I will resolve you. Okay, we need to move next step. For example, this plot is created by Mr. You can give space. It depends on you. You can give space or you may not give space. For example, if I remove space, then I will run it. It also work. When you create double, triple and many spaces, then again it's working. So there is no issue about for space. We can without space, or you can do 1, 2, 3 or many spaces. Okay. No, for example, this plot is created by Mr. Rahim, and he want to show this plot to his supervisor. His supervisor, after checking this plot, his supervisor say that please differentiate these points. If you check your table, in your table, in species column, we have three different type of species, S1, S2, and S3. So his supervisor say, please differentiate these species or points or label these points which indicate S1, S2, and S3. In this picture, in this plot, we can't differentiate between which point belong to S1, which belong to S2, and which point belong to S3. So his supervisor say, please differentiate these species based on color. So allot different color for each species. So Mr. Rahim, again, come on the script or our studio lab, type here again, comma, and no, use color, COL. COL mean color. It is also a vocabulary word of our COL. So write it on your diary or save it anywhere where are you typing notes or writing notes. So COL mean COL equal color. So give here color. Color, we want to apply color based on species. So type here species And one more important thing is R is case sensitive, spelling sensitive. And to write correct spelling, check on ficus. Here is the species S is capital. So we need to type here, write here S capital. But if I type here small s, it show me error like this. You can see he show me an error, object species not found. But when I replace small s with capital S, no, he created a plot with different colors. Now you can see different colors have been allotted to this plot for points. So red point indicate S1, green color indicate S2, and blue color indicate S3. So all these are red colors belong to S1, green color S2, and blue color belong to S3. Please done this step and check have you draw colorful plot and type done. And copy it, copy this plot, copy and paste it within WhatsApp group. Okay. Now, Mr. Rahim again want to show this plot to his supervisor. After checking, its supervisor said that it's good, but please now try to draw smooth plot. Smooth plot. So we copy the script. We just give its heading, that is hashtag. We give a new heading name smooth plot. Copy this complete script. This complete script. Copy and paste it within or below smooth plot or line number 30. In your case, you can select or give space or anywhere you can paste it. So we need to remove this color equal species. No, here. Now we want to draw smooth plot. We just change plot name. Here is a point, remove point and type smooth instead of point and now run it. No, smooth plot have been drawn. Copy this plot and share it within WhatsApp group. After draw the smooth plot, copy it and paste it within group. Mr. Dr. Spurio, you want to about this one? Smooth plot or this plot, about this plot? Okay, about graph. Actually, smooth plot is a type of plot like point plot, graph plot. The data set it is mostly belong to the economical data or business data showing the trend line from here from bottom to top is data indicating that it starts from here and end it here. But it is this data is not related to trend line or it's just for practice. And its meaning is another way is that it show the trend lines. No, if again it's supervisor, if no, Mr. Rahim again show this plot to his supervisor, and his supervisor say, no, it's okay, but it's not suitable. Please draw another plot, name box plot. Or no, first we draw path plot. So his supervisor say, please draw path plot. So he again need to copy this script, copy it, and paste it within path plot. We just need to change here the word smooth, replace smooth with path. And run it. No, path plot have been drawn. Copy this plot, paste it within group. Now we need to draw line plot. Again copy this complete, copy and paste it within or below this heading. Just replace path with line and run it. Now you get a line plot, copy it and again paste to WhatsApp group. Now, if his supervisor say, please draw box plot, he again copy the script, copy and paste. And now he type here box plot and run it. No box plot appeared, but it show one plot. But similarly, as in the case of above, his supervisor say, please differentiate it into species or divide into species. We also want to show where species lie in this plot. So we need to write here color equal species. Please remember S is capital in the case of species and run it. Now you can see a small and very beautiful plot have been created indicating that and each box with color indicating a species name S1 red, S2 green and S3 blue. Copy it and paste it into group. Now, if you want to, or his supervisor say, please draw histogram. So again, copy this plot, copy this script, copy and paste it line number 23 and just replace it with histogram, line with histogram and run it. In the case of histogram, you maybe get an error. All participants, please let me know, have you get this similar error in geom histogram, problem while computing stat, error occurred in the first layer, caused by error in the setup, stat bin must only have an X or Y aesthetic. Have you faced similar error? All participants, please reply. If anyone get this plot, let me know. Okay, I hope all participants have get similar error. Please read last line. Stat bin must only have an X or Y static. So in the case of histogram, you need to define only one axis. You may define x-axis or y-axis. But in the case of in our script, we define two axes. So here we need only one axis. So we just draw petal length. We remove sepal length. Remove and no run it. No, you can see a plot have been created. You can also differentiate based on color. Color equal species and run it. Now you get a different color. You can also fill it with different color. Fill equal species and run it. Now you get a plot with different color and different fill. Copy it and paste it within group. Now his supervisor say, please draw a density plot. If his supervisor say, please draw density plot. So you give its heading, that is density. Now, how to change the color? You use the term color equals species. It change the outline color. But if you apply fill equals species, it will color will be filled. Now, if you want to draw density, again copy this plot, line plot, copy and paste it here. And just replace it line with density plot and run it. It shows that geom density is not found. It means there is a spelling mistake. So density. And now we run it. But again, we face error. It again showing that we only need Y aesthetic. In the case of histogram, we need only one, X or Y. It may be X, it may be Y. But in the case of density plot, we only need Y aesthetic. So we remove X aesthetic, X axis, and just apply it on Y axis. No, you can get a plot. This is known as a density plot. Copy it and share it within group. Now, if you want to differentiate based on color species, you can differentiate comma color equal species and run the script. No, you get colorful and attractive plot or density plot, and colors are differentiated based on species or differentiating the variable species. So copy it and paste it within chat. Now, if you want to fill these density plot, you can also fill as you fill in the case of histogram, comma, type here fill equal species and run it. No, you get a colorful and attractive density plot with colors, filled colors. All participants please done this step. Please all participants done it. Only two participants have done. That is Dr. Spurio and Dr. Shahidul Islam. Please all participants, if you have any issue, error, I am here to resolve it. Please let me know if you found any error. If okay, then we move to next step. Okay. Now we move to next step. So a lot of different type of the plots are available in R. Okay. Okay, Rahim, no issue. You can share in chat. Okay. So how many type of plots you can draw in R? If you type here geom, when you simple type geom, you can see a list of plot name have been opened. You can scroll down it, and all these type of plots you can draw. Like here is a violin. I just select violin plot, copy, violin, copy, and paste it within in this place of path plot, paste, and run it. No, you can have violin plot appeared, but if I apply here differentiate based on species, comma, I apply it. No, you can see a violin plot have been separated based on species. Uh, uh, no, you can save this plot by two simple way, that is uh, copy, copy it and save on your desktop or anywhere you want to save. Another method is export, export, save as image, save as PDF. But if you want to save it into high resolution HD form, you need to write a script. But this we learn in our next classes. But here you need to just you want to save, just click on and save this plot where you want to save. But if you want to save it with high quality, high resolution 300 dpi, then you need to write a script, and this script we will learn in our upcoming classes. No, uh, no, your task is we have remaining 15 minutes, so you need to do lot of work uh, today task. Just type in space or anywhere in the screen number one, geom. You find first name Albine. Copy, and you may copy this script from here and paste in here. Just give its heading. Copy this Albine word. Albine, copy, and paste it in the place of R or replace with line. Ab line, okay? Okay. And run it. No, here is a ab line plot. Now you draw another plot. Again type geom. Here is another name. Try area. Now copy area and replace it with albine, abline, and run area plot. Here is the area plot. You can also differentiate based on color or species. Now again type geom and bar. Copy here, copy it bar, copy and paste it here. No, it gave us an error, so ignore it. If any plot gives you an error, Ignore and move to next plot. So bar plot give us an error. Ignore it and move to next plot. We will resolve it later on upcoming classes. So here is a bin 2D. Copy this bin 2D. Copy and replace it with bar and run it. No, here is a bin 2D. Copy it and share it within WhatsApp group. Similarly, again type here geom and no bin 2D. Second is copy it and replace it with previous word and run it. No. So no today, please listen carefully. No today task is just type here geom. A list will be open. Select one by one and try to draw all these plots are available in this list. But some plots may be drawn or created, but many plots give you an error. Those plots which give you an error, ignore it and move to next. Similarly, as when I uh, want to draw a bar plot, it give me an error. I ignore this error and move to next. If like geom.pp give you an error, ignore it, move to next. If other create it, copy it and paste into WhatsApp group. If show error, ignore it and move to or forward to next plot. Hope you have got it. I want to say you. Please let me know if you have any confusion or you can ask me. Kindly, Iftihar Ahmed Rana, please, what's your question? Yes, I have see your previous message. And these are color are by default. If you want to change this color scheme, you can also change. A lot of attractive and powerful color schemes are available within R because it is a very basic class and we are very basic level. So it gives us a by default. So we need to know by default. But when you move forward and day by day, you will be learn a lot of things you can apply on this. You can change its color according to your choice. Anything else you want to change here. You want to change label, font size, each and everything in this plot, you can change it from here. Yes, if you close R, everything will be closed. But if you have created working directory, all things will remain safe. So it is very important questions. I want to create a working directory in my previous class, but due to short of time, I was unable to create this. No, we have 10 minutes, so please follow me. We create this working directory. So all participants come on screen number 3, that is global environment. In the global environment at the corner, you can see, in my case, it's showing microarray. When and microarray, but in your case, it may be showing new directory, empty directory, or any words may be here. Here is a small arrow. Click on this arrow. A list have been opened. You can see I have a list name, and all these are the working directories. If you create, actually, working directory is a folder. In the case of R, we say it a working directory, but when you use computer language, laptop language, we say it as a folder. So we need to create a folder. So our all data will remain safe. Or another thing, we can also save this script from screen number 1. But first we create a working directory. To create a working directory, click on new project. There is a new project. No, he is asking about save, don't save. Click on save. No, new page will be appear. It show that new directory. Click on new directory, new project, and type here name 23 batch and save it. There is a button create. Click on create. Now your working directory have been created and the previous work may be disappear. But when no, each and everything you will perform will be saved in your working directory, and you can also save the script from here is a button save. This is a button save. Click on save button. Your script will be saved in your choice or where you want to save. Okay, repeat this step again. Come on screen number 3, global environment. Here is at the corner showing me 23 batch. Click on here. In your case, it may be new directory or something else. So click on this small arrow. New project. After new project, click on new directory, new project. Here you need to type your folder. You want to create a folder, type here name. In the case of my R, I type here 23 batch. So you can type here 23 batch and just click the button create project. I hope you have done this step. Now our next class will be on Monday because your classes days are Monday to Thursday. So tomorrow is Friday and I have another class on Friday. So our next class is where I found the saved file. You can find here type here. If you save from here, you give it a location. Find its location where you have saved. For example, I click here desktop and save it. There is a lot of files I have saved. So it depends on you where you want to save in your laptop or computer. Okay. So please remember your task and complete this task within 3 days or before Monday. On Monday, we move to our next step, that is we use ggplot, and then day by day we will move to advanced level or advanced type of analysis. So must focus and practice. We have not previous work saved in working directory. We have created, no, we have created working directory just a few minutes before. So our next work will be saved in this directory, not our previous work, because the previous work is without working directory. Now we have created working directory. Our new work will be on this working directory. Okay. Okay, thank you. If you have further any question, you can ask within WhatsApp group.